Alright, so this is the look here at the player on the S4. So it's gonna look a little bit different in comparison here, as you guys can see, to the S5. See. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and access right here the update. And guys, one more thing to show you before I forget. Another thing that is going to change is a look at the recent applications. So right here on the S5, if we tap on the task manager, that's how they look like right now, and this is how they're gonna look like on the S4. Let me show you right here on the S4. If we access right here the task manager, that's how they look like. So that's gonna change and they're gonna look like this. So let's go ahead and start with the update here, and we're gonna go down to software update, install, and as you guys can see, we're gonna start with the update. So I'll keep you guys updated as we're going through the process. Alright guys, the first part of the update was already downloaded, and as you guys can see now, it's showing the second part of the update. So let's go ahead and say download now, and as you guys can see, it's downloading here, software update. Alright guys, the update, the software update was downloaded, so now it's available to install. So we're gonna tap right here, and as you guys can see, they give you the warning that this is gonna take about 40 minutes to complete, and this is the final step. After this, we're gonna see Android 5 Lollipop on the Samsung Galaxy S4. So let's start with the installation right now. Alright guys, the software update was completed. As you guys can see, we received this message. Congratulations, your device has been updated successfully. And these are the things that are included in the update. So let's go ahead and take a look now and compare to the S5 and see, what things looks different now compared to before. Alright guys, so finally we are now on the desktop or the main screen. So let's start comparing here with the S5, the dialer, the quick settings, the actual settings of the phone and all that. So first thing I want to show you guys, it's the notifications from the lock screen. So right now I have here a text message and a phone call. As you guys can see, it's showing right there. If I swipe down, I'm gonna see the notifications right there. I can swipe with my finger and get rid of the notifications or just read it. Also, if the phone is locked and I try to unlock the screen, just by pressing the home, I'm gonna see the notifications right there. From the lock screen, I can go ahead and swipe and get rid of notifications. Also, we see the access to the phone, the camera, from the lock screen. And let's go ahead and take a look now at the interface. So this is how the dialer looks like now, as I showed you at the beginning of the video, in comparison here to the S5. As you guys can see now, they both look the same. The only thing we're missing right now here is the video camera icon, which, like I said before, I have to check into the settings and see if that option is available with the S4. And not every phone has that option, even if it has an Android 5, so I have to look at that. But as far as the dialer, everything looks the same. Taking a look here at the recent, that's how the recent looks like. As you guys can see, it looks the same with the rounded icons. Favorites, they look the same. Here's contacts, also looks rounded and looks the same. So let's go back and let me do like a test call so you guys can see the interface. So that's how the dialer looks like. Same thing right here. Now this phone is not connected right now, so that's why it's not showing the dialer. So that's as far as the dialer. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the interface. As I showed you guys earlier, when accessing right here the app drawer, there was an option here for apps, widgets, and I believe it said downloaded. As you guys can see right now, it's only showing apps. So that changed, that's different now. Also, if we look at the quick settings or notifications, if we swipe down right here, take a look and see how the notifications looks like. Same thing right here with the S5. Let's go ahead and take a look at the S5 right here. So as you guys can see, they look the same. And let's tap right here to get access to the rest of the quick settings. So as you guys can see, they look the same. Let's go back here to the main settings. Now the icons look the same. However, the tabs right here on top on the S4 are different. I'm gonna change the look right here. Go ahead and change these. All right, so yeah, right here on the S4 we have connections, my device, and accounts, and we have more. So there is more, but as you guys can see, the icons looks rounded and also offer a different color, which looks super nice. There is accounts, there is my device, and there is also connections. So that looks super nice. What else we have? The other thing that I noticed with the camera, I feel like it takes pictures faster now. So let me move this here, and if I try to take a picture, I think it's faster. And here's the camera on the S5, so you guys can compare the speed, but I think it takes pictures a little bit faster. So here's the S5, and the other thing that I showed you earlier was the video player. Of course, you know, it got a little change, a little different look. So here's the video player now. And take a look and see how it looks like now. And also let's take a look at the recent applications. That's another thing that I showed you earlier. Here on the S5, that's how they look like. So let's see if that changed to here with the S4. On the S4 we press right here the home button and take a look and see that perfect. We can swipe or we can close all. So there you have it, my friends. Samsung Galaxy S4 with the new Android 5 Lollipop. Finally it's here. This is with Verizon Wireless. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video to help others. Any question, comments, let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See you later.